Told your daddy you'd be back by 10, but it's 11:15 and he ain't back yet. Sitting at the top of a playground slide, sucking on the bottom of a Marlboro Light, living life on the edge of a door knife in a territory town on a Tuesday night. Catching all summers through the windows down over Goodyear rubber, blacktop straight away east of town, through the pump jack sucking at the red dirt ground. A bottle of vodka and some Keystone Light. Boy, Riley said he'd set her outside the dumpster right back for the IGA. They're gonna bust that kid one of these days, living life on the edge of a door knife in a territory town on a Tuesday night.
I heard you died out in Cheyenne with my mother's ring on your hand. A note in your pocket said I love you till I die. I can hear the bulls are coming to claim that they've been hunting. The son of a cowboy came to claim his daddy's right. And my baby, she's been crying at the thought of me dying. She knows there's no stopping a man and his foolish pride. So open the gates, I'm here to prove I'm better than my father was and where he came from too. By my side, and I ain't never feared nothing that was four-legged and bucking. Throw me on a hurricane and I'll ride it to the coast. You'll never know that your son came to do what you should have done. On a summer day a long time